Aluminum and glass doors are analyzed as following features: aesthetic design. The narrow-framed aluminum and glass door has quickly gained popularity with its slender line design, including a sense of luxury and easily blending into various home decoration styles. Good ventilation effect due to the narrow frame. The indoor ventilation effect is better, making it suitable for environments that require good ventilation. Space saving. The narrow frame design makes the doors and windows occupy less space, making them suitable for small-sized apartments. High appearance level. The extremely narrow bezels are perfect for families who pursue a simple and neat style, which can expand the sense of space and enhance the visual effect. Lightweight and flexible. Due to its light material, it opens and closes easily and flexibly, providing a good user experience. Narrow frame aluminum glass interior. Doors are invisible boundaries and visible luxury. Longhui Sanhe transform spaces into curated experiences where quality speaks louder than quantity.